Splat Went the Gnat. From the time this gnat was hatched, he was a very busy gnat. He spent his day like every gnat, biting this and biting that. Biting dogs and biting cats. Biting brutes and biting brats. Biting people having chats. Biting ladies wearing hats. Two fat cats were in a spat over which cat got the rat. But the gnat helped save the rat by biting noses on the cats. Both cats tried to swat the gnat, and when they did, the rat went scat. He was such a busy gnat. He never slept, and he never sat. He spent his day like every gnat, biting this and biting that. Biting swamis on their mats. Biting players holding bats. Biting people lying flat. Biting bakers patty-pat. One day the gnat was biting Matt, who was toiling at a vat. Matt yelled, "Drat!" and swung his hat. He didn't want to pat the gnat. Suddenly there was a splat. And that's all there was to that.
Your lady.
The end.